How to redeem your HelloFresh gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll show you how you can redeem your HelloFresh gift card online. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem your HelloFresh gift card, what you have to do is first of all just open up your browser, and then you have to go to this website which I'll leave a link below, which is basically hellofresh.com. So just type in hellofresh.com, then type in slash, and then type in gift, then type in slash, and then type in redeem again. So you can directly go to this page, which is hellofresh.com/gift/redeem. As I said, I will make sure to drop a link down below as well. So once you go to this official website, you'll land on this page right over here, where you can simply enter your gift card code right over here, which says receive the gift card, redeem it now to get fresh and delicious meals sent your way. All you have to do is make sure to enter the code, and then if your code is correct, you can just click on the redeem button in order to redeem it. Now just before that, you also simply want to make sure that you're logged into your account by just clicking the login button, which is at the top right hand side. Make sure that you're signed in, and depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully redeemed to your HelloFresh account. This is how you can redeem your HelloFresh gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.